Okay, guys, now look at this is what I just hooked up. Steak meat with broccoli. And I put cheese over that for the finished product. And that's what I cooked. That's what I cooked for. That's what I cooked. So that's what's going on over here. I just have to stir that up. See how I did that? Let's stir that up. See. Okay, now I'm about to put it back. Okay, hold up, y'all. I had to stir it up a little bit, but hold up. It's good too. So yeah, it looked like hamburger and meat, but it's not. It's steak. So yeah, I just had to hook something up. Hook something up, something easy, and I put cheese up with it. Yeah, so this will be going on YouTube and Instagram. So yes, that'll be the final product. That'll be the final results of my meal. I don't know what I'm gonna eat with it, but I'm gonna eat something with it. But yeah, I had to hook something up, something real easy, something real easy. Yeah, so that's all I got.